Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. I'm Caitlin and I'm a licensed hairdresser. So this is my friend and client Sydney, and we did her hair a few months ago, but it's pretty grown out now and the toner has definitely faded off, so we are just doing a retouch and freshening everything up. So since we're just doing a face frame, I am starting out around her face and adding these money pieces to her hairline. So I did two back-to-back highlights, and then I'm doing a mixture of highlights and lowlights, just dropping down some of the dimension, but I'm not pulling the lowlights all the way down the hair. I'm just kind of blending it through the mids of the hair and then leaving the ends bright. And I'm repeating the same process on this side, so you're going to see me doing the two back-to-back highlights for the money piece and then working with the dimension going up. And since I'm just doing two horizontal side sections, I'm going to stop right here and do the money pieces. So I am doing three back-to-back weaved foils for that. And you might notice that the highlights, I'm taking smaller weaved sections, and then with the lowlights, I'm taking chunkier weaves. And that's just because I want to give the effect of still being very much Bronde, where she is going darker but also lighter all over, just kind of refreshing everything. And this is the finished foil look. Okay, so this is her raw lift. She lifted really well. She's like a level 9 pale yellow, which is exactly what we were wanting for this look. And sorry about the pink hue, that's from the neon light. I'm now root smudging her with Redken Shades EQ 5N 5NA, and I'm basically just like slightly tapping it around the money pieces around her face and then pulling it down a little bit further going back. I'm only taking it like half an inch down in the front, and then I'm pulling it about an inch and a half to 2 inches down in the back to give a really nice organic halo effect. So I let this sit on and process for about 10 minutes. Also, I glossed her off camera, but I used Redken Shades EQ 9NW, 9GI, and 9P. Now I'm just finishing up her blow dry using my Dyson Supersonic hair dryer, and then I'm going to go in and we're going to take off just a dusting trim on her ends and then also trim in her face framing pieces. Now I'm beach waving her hair with my Ionic 1-inch extra long barrel curling iron, and I'm basically just wrapping it around the hair, twisting it, dropping it, and then smoothing back over the last inch and a half to give a straighter ends look. And here's the finished look. So cute. Sydney is so pretty, oh my god. So we love it. The money pieces are nice and bold and bright, and then everything else is just super blendy. And we have everything touched back up, the dimension, the depth, the tone, and she's the perfect Bronde. If you guys enjoyed this video and want to see more like this, please make sure to like and subscribe because I share all my formulas and all of my foiling techniques.